Hey guys, we're here at the Nokia booth to check out the newly resurrected Nokia 8110, aka the banana phone, aka the Matrix phone. It's definitely a trip down memory lane having to text using a number pad, but of course it has been updated with a 2.4-inch colored screen, a 2-megapixel camera, Wi-Fi, and 4G. The system runs on KaiOS and it also has an app store, although the apps are rather limited. Still, you have Gmail, you have Google Maps, you have Facebook, and you can also download a couple of games. Speaking of games, it wouldn't be a Nokia classic without our favorite game, Snake. Just like the Nokia phones of old, you can expect stellar battery life, which in this case is 9 hours of call time. The Nokia 8110 only has 4 GB of onboard storage, but is expandable up to 32 GB via micro SD card. The re-release Classic will be available towards the middle of the year and is priced at 79 euros or about 5,000 pesos. And that's it for a quick look at the Nokia 8110. Again, we'll leave a link in the description down below for a more in-depth article. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification bell. For more news about MWC, head to unbox.ph.